Welcome to Summarize Science. We hear a lot about AI being able to code, sometimes even better than humans. But what happens when you move beyond simple puzzles and into a complex, competitive, real-world problem? Researchers decided to find out by pitting the best large language models against graduate computer science students in a massive coding tournament. The challenge wasn't just to write code that runs, but code that could run a business. They created a simulation where each competitor had to manage a logistics company. This involved strategically bidding for delivery jobs in a reverse auction against an opponent. After winning bids, they had to create the most efficient delivery plan to maximize their profit, juggling vehicle capacity and complex routes. In one corner, we have 17 agents coded by graduate students who developed their solutions for a class project before modern AI tools were available. In the other corner, 40 agents coded by 4 different state-of-the-art LLMs using a variety of prompting techniques. They ran over 12 tournaments, resulting in nearly 40,000 head-to-head matches. So, who won? It wasn't even close. The results showed a clear superiority of the human-coded agents. In fact, the top 5 spots in the final rankings were all consistently won by the students. But it gets even more surprising than that. The majority of the AI agents, 33 out of 40, were beaten by very simple, baseline strategies. This shows that while the AIs could produce code without syntax errors, they severely lacked the ability to reason, plan, and strategize effectively. They struggled with the core logic of the competition. In perhaps the most telling experiment, the researchers took the winning student's code and gave it to the best-performing AI. They asked the AI to improve it to win the tournament. The AI's optimizations actually made the code significantly worse, causing it to drop from first place all the way down to 10th. Even when given the perfect answer, the AI was unable to understand why it was good and couldn't improve upon it. So, let's recap what this all means. First, for complex problems requiring strategic thinking, planning, and opponent modeling, skilled human programmers are still leagues ahead of AI. Second, the popular idea of vibe coding, or just telling an AI what you want, isn't ready to build sophisticated, competitive systems from scratch. And finally, this research highlights that we need better ways to test AI, moving beyond simple pass/fail tests to challenges that require real-world reasoning. This study shows that while AI is an incredibly powerful tool, the creative and strategic mind of a human engineer is far from obsolete. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.